Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up alarm clock. So then you need an alarm, you have it set up, you know how to set it up, so let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do is sign into your phone if you haven't already. And there's a couple ways of doing this to set an alarm. You can look on my screen down towards the right side, just down below around the middle. You'll see clock. Now there's an app on your phone that says clock. It might be in a folder, it might be on another screen somewhere. Mine was, so I moved it to the front here. And there's also another way to set an alarm clock. You can slide it from the bottom and you'll see where my circle is circling the alarm clock, and this is an easy way to come in and set an alarm clock. And there's another way you can do it. You can ask Siri to set your alarm clock, and you can ask her to turn it off. Hey Siri, set an alarm clock.
For what time?
9 a.m.
I've set an alarm for 9 a.m.
Hey Siri, cancel alarm.
Okay, the 9 o'clock alarm is off.
Hey Siri, delete 9 a.m. alarm.
Okay, I deleted your 9 o'clock alarm.
You can ask her to cancel it. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm. So it's up to you which way you want to do it. We're going to do it both ways. So slide up from the bottom, click on the alarm clock, and you can see that I have other alarms in here: 3:45 a.m., 5:30, 6 a.m., 6 a.m., 7. If you look at the top right, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that, and in here it shows you the time. So 3:11 p.m. and that's what it is right now. And so just put your finger on the roller and roll your finger up and down on the screen, and you can see it turning. If you swipe down hard, it will keep going around and around. So let's go around to, let's say 8 a.m. and let's go 8:18 a.m. and then you can have this repeated. If you click on repeat, we're not going to do that. You can have it every Sunday, Monday, right, the whole week, depending on what you pick, or we're not going to do repeat. You can label this alarm by clicking on there and clicking on the X, the far right side, and call this alarm wake up. And then on your keyboard, you're just going to click done. So now this is called wake up, and you can change your sound. Right now it's radar. So let's go in here and click on radar. You can scroll down and click on apex, beacon, bulletin. This gives you opportunity to pick which one that you like. We'll just go back to the radar. So let's go back. And then snooze. See the toggle switches in green? Enables you to click snooze. So I believe it's another 8 minutes on the snooze, or 10 minutes, something like that. So let's just go save at the top right corner. And now you see this wake up alarm clock is set for 8:18 and the toggle switch is in green. So this is for tomorrow morning at 8:18, and this will go off. I'm going to just tap the toggle switch and now it's turned off. So if you want to get rid of the alarm clock, you're going to take your thumb or your finger and you're going to put it on the 818 over by the toggle switch and slide left, and you see it says delete, and you're going to click on delete. You can also just take your finger or thumb to the far right side and swipe all the way through, and that deletes them as well. So that's two different ways of deleting. Just swipe left and you see delete. If you click on it, it goes back, it saves it, and if you do a long swipe, it deletes it. Okay, so that's how you do the alarm setup through control panel. Let's go back. Now the other way is to just click on the clock app on the screen there. You see the circle and the arrow. Click on clock wherever yours is on your iPhone. The same applies for iPad. So click on there. It brings up the same screen. For instance, why would you use control panel versus using the app on the screen? If you had your phone locked, just go lock the phone for a minute and then wake your phone up and then slide up from the bottom, then tap alarm clock. So you can go right from the lock screen to set an alarm, so you don't have to go into your phone. Once you sign into your phone, you can either swipe up from the bottom, control panel, or you can click the clock app, which we're going to click the clock app. I wanted to quickly show you how to do it on iPhone XS Max, which is running iOS 14.4. So as you go to the top right corner, you want to swipe down and control panel comes open that way. And then you're going to go look for the alarm clock. It's where the circle is, and then you can click on that. And so there you go. That's how easy it is to come in here on a newer phone and swipe down from the top, or go find your app on the front screen or wherever you have it on your newer iPhone if you have a new one, and just going through it that way. Okay, continue on. And basically it's the exact same thing as I just showed you. So there's 3 different ways of coming in and setting alarm. If you're in the phone, you can swipe up to the bottom, which brings up control panel. You can click on the app on your iPhone, and you can also wake up your phone when it's locked and swipe up through the bottom and get access to setting alarm that way. And there's actually 4 ways, and you can ask Siri to set an alarm for you, cancel the alarm, delete the alarm. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and look for the next one. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you like the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you've watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology, and you want to click the bell notification to get notified of any new videos coming out and to stay up to date. And you want to also click up above to watch the latest video that's on our channel. Please check out GIT Get Into Technology. Thank you.